Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston. Today we're looking at the 2024 210 Boston Whaler Montauk. This Montauk is equipped with a platinum gel-coated hull, Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. Here at the helm, this is a reversible pilot seat, so you can face aft or forward or use it as a leaning post while running the boat. Fiberglass T-top, a full Simrad electronics package, and most of the other important Boston Whaler options. Here in the bow we have a split bow rail, there's 4 cup holders, JL audio speakers, and there's also a full bow cushion. Cooler seat with backrest with additional rod holders. If you'd like additional information, you can reach me at 781-727-0629.